Warmly welcome to LIENMINH Technical Service and Mechanical Company Limited. It is such a great pleasure to have you with us today. Company Tour Guideline. Please check in at the security booth and connect to related to get entrance guarantee. Please follow instructions from security man to enter parking area, car parking area, motorbike parking area. Under the instruction, you are expected to proceed to the reception and stay at waiting area to have a look at introduction screen. LIENMINH detailed layout. 2 parking areas, one for motorbike cars of visitors or guests and one for the staff. Reception. Technical Design Department. Meeting room. Assembly area. Billet shearing and equipment stocking area. Welding, laser cutting and neck punching area. Fabricating area. Escape plan and gathering area in case of emergency. Upon hearing the alarm, please stay calm and move quickly to the nearest exit. Proceed to the gathering area. After watching the video, please go to the meeting room. After the meeting, we will take you to our safety gear station. You'll be equipped with a hard hat, safety boots, and a high visibility vest before approaching manufacturing areas. Please follow the designated walkways. You will be always accompanied by a LIENMINH staff. During your visit, please pay attention to forklifts in operation, trip hazards, slippery surfaces, overhead hazards, optical radiation hazards in welding and laser cutting areas. Having close contact with the machine, going into areas of machine operation are completely prohibited. If you still wish to have a visit at these areas, please contact your staff. No cameraing or photo taking are allowed except the case of LIENMINH staff's permission. Your safety is our top priority. We wish you a thorough and fully experiential visit.